check out this new paper airplane, guys. They just look like the Spirit Dragon, but if you look closely, it's different. So if you look at the head of the plane, this is more defined. The wings is much stronger. I created the Legend Tiger a long time ago, but let's give this one a test to see how well it's fly. I'll fly it to this angle first, then I'll throw it in different angle, see how the plane fly. Okay, so just completed the plane. This is one of my most favorite designs so far. Wow, you can see that it's flying very far, right? See, here we go. I fixed this guy, so you can see how far it can fly.